Hey everyone, many developers these days are facing issues while installing Tailwind CSS, and if you are trying to install Tailwind CSS but getting an error while running npx tailwind init, in this video I'll show you exact fix how you can set up Tailwind CSS smoothly. Firstly, I will run npm init y to create a package.json file. Okay, then we can install Tailwind CSS along with postcss and autoprefixer as dev dependencies. So npm it as a dev dependency, tailwind css, postcss, autoprefixer. So this should install Tailwind without any issues. Okay, so normally we initialize Tailwind with npx tailwind css init p. So you can see there are errors, but instead of actually creating the tailwind config file, it throws an error. This happened due to the recent changes in tailwind's latest version. So what we have to do, actually we have two ways, two options. Either stick with the latest version, which is version 4, or maybe go back to the version 3. So if you want to stick with if you want to go for the latest version, you have to learn how Tailwind 4 work. And it because the Tailwind version 4 do not create any config.js config files for like the traditional files we create during npx init command. I'm going back to the older version, npm uninstall tailwind css. First we will uninstall the current version. Okay, so version is uninstalled. Now we have to go and install by mentioning the version number here. So make sure you don't install autoprefixer and postcss again, because we already have those. Okay, now let's try initializing the Tailwind again by running command npx tailwind css init post css. Okay, so this time it works. It successfully generated both files, postcss and tailwind config css, and we can see those both files here. So if you see no error, Tailwind is now properly installed. I hope this video fixed the issue for you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any other Tailwind CSS issues. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.